fame, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Is that a kid? I'm afraid not. That's just his hair texture. He worked hard for that. Illes P9. Illes P9. Spinning on him, boy. Look at him. That cut looks sharp, boy. But whatever that is, whatever he doing, don't do that to me. Cause I'm afraid that just gonna give me a bald spot or something. Cause I think that's like the thing you go over your hair so you could really cut everything off or something. I don't know. If my barber ever used that on me, and then you give me a bald spot, I'll cry, man. That's crazy. Don't use that on me. It's cold in my garage, yo. Ooh, I can see them waves through the do-rag. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I don't see no forks. I don't see no nothing. Let me see that crown. Everything's going slow. Yo, hurry up, bro. Come on. Okay. Whoo. Oh, snap. I see some forks. Keep turning. Oh, you're not slick. Turn the other way. Turn that way. Okay, I see the top now. Look at them forks, bro. You need to work on your forks, man. You gotta brush, man. You need to keep working, but you spinning though. I ain't gonna lie, you spinning. But work on them forks though. Look at that. You see them forks right there? You gotta work on those. You keep turning fast on that side. Can you give us a wave check? Wave check. Better be spinning, boy. You need to whoa. What the heck? You want to sleep without a do-rag, huh? Okay, let's get to work. Bring them waves back. Let me see. Okay, put the shampoo on. Yes, sir. There you go. Brush that joint in. Get that lather. Okay. The lather gone. Oh, it's coming back. Oh yeah, that joint coming back. Let me fix that. Woo! Look at that lather. Oh my G's. I love lather, man. Lather just like telling me doing something good, man. If you don't see the lather, you ain't doing nothing, man. And yeah, y'all need to take a shower when you rinsing your hair so you could wash that junk out thoroughly. Oh my G's. No product, nothing. That's washing style updated. Alright, y'all. So look, right before I clicked on this duet, I read his caption and said life for part 2. So I already know he gonna do a part 2. Alright, I'm already mad coming into this video. So I better see great lather like I'm seeing now. And I better see everything looking dope leading to a part 2, because I want to see a part 2. And if the part 2 is disappointing, I'm gonna have to, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but hey, everything looking dope so far. I love that lather. Okay. Yeah, I ain't never seen nobody wash their hair with a chain on though. Ooh, I want to see part 2. Alright, y'all, so he ain't have a part 2, already up there. Feel me? So I was a little tight. But we about to see what you working with now. I see a couple forks on the top left. You gotta work on that. A couple forks by the crown. Work on those, man. Them waves deep, man. He wolfing. As soon as he cut them junks off, them just gonna be super deep. They gonna be stupid deep, like I said. Silkiness, deep, all that, connections, right? Everything. And of course, you need that barber to get you right. You feel me? You need your barber that knows how to cut waves. Because not all barbers know how to cut waves, man. They probably go against the grain with a 1.5. That's messed up. Look at that crisp lineup right there. Still need to work on that fork right there. So you might have to do another wolf session and just, get that fork out the way. But everything else looks good, bro. That was a dope wolf session, man. That junk helped you out a lot. Look at that deepness, yo. That. Oh, man. that's a long wolf right there. I'll probably say that's probably like 13 weeks, probably 14. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be a hassle to try to lay all that down, buddy. I hope you know how to. I mean, you probably do, but I want to see you lay that down. Tag me in the video when you laying that down.